Don't fart. Don't do it, Aaliyah. Hold it, damn it.
What the hell's wrong with you, Aaliyah?
Can you give me some water, please?
Hey, Jesus.
Time to release. Busted.
Yeah, just take your bottoms off.
Oh!
Yeah, take your bottoms off.
What?
Okay, watch. This is all
What
you
are you
need. You
doing?
need just 2 bottoms, okay?
Uh-huh.
So you take the red one like this. Take the 2 legs.
Uh-huh.
Stretch them out this way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Like
Okay.
this. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my arm up through like this.
Okay.
Now you see this hole that you have right here?
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna take this hand
Uh-huh.
and I'm gonna stick it up through. Okay, so then you pull it down
just
like
careful.
that. Same thing. So you take this bottom
Uh-huh.
in one hand and
Okay.
you stretch it like this.
Okay.
Put it over my head.
That was the crotch of the pants.
No, yeah, this is the crotch of the pants.
Oh my.
Okay, I'm gonna put my arm up through like this.
Okay.
Okay?
Careful,
Now
yeah, I
watch
don't want your
this.
towel to fall.
Watch this. Now check this
And
out.
then we'll just make sure that.
Yeah, let's fix that.
Yep.
The coolest thing I've
Wow,
ever
I
worn.
love it.
What?
Oh my god.
What?
Yeah,
good.
it's a top made out of 2 bottoms.
What?
I know, and now I'm gonna go swimming. It's gonna be great.
That's perfect. All right, don't move, don't move. All right, close it. How was your walk? So where did you go?
I found some shells.
Hey, hold on. Can you grab me a chocolate? I'm kind of hungry in the picnic box. Like, grab. Oh, thank you.
Can you grab some lemon juice for me?
Yeah, I'm kind of thirsty. Can you grab the lemon juice? It's over there. Oh. Yeah, have some lemon juice. Wait. I think you should better. Don't we have like cups so we can pour? I think there's a cup in there. Things it's in there.
You took the cups, yeah, perfect.
Let me see it.
Let them fucking know.
Nikki, you gonna wrap this car pink?
I mean, you know, I had told the grandma I was going to, you know what I'm saying, do the double R pink. Then when I seen Kadali, Jadena, you know what I'm saying, pop over with the pink. I said, oh, well, I for the queens, you know what I'm saying, fell back. But when the queen do it, I'm going to do pink on pink, every black thing in sync. You understand?
Yeah, you know the motherfucking vibes. You know how we coming.
Is that
Big things only.
the Richard Millie?
I mean, you
Oh,
know,
it's
That's
the
the new
richer for me.
Hey, did you know it's impossible for you to touch your fingernails with your shoulder? The other way. Hi.
Aaliyah, you know what time it is? Put these on.
Oh, my favorite type of night.
Yeah, put them on. Here, let's see the other ones. Put it right here. Oh,
Brian!
baby, I'm going out with the boys, okay? I'm going out with the boys. Here's some food for you. Here's some food.
I'm vegan, Brian. I can't even eat that.
Here they are. All right, later, baby. Later.
Happened yesterday. You already know that. No, I'm not going with you today, bro. No, I've been telling my girl she needs to get a fatter ass, bro. She'll never be listening to me ever. Oh, fuck. Play with me. How, babe? Why would you even see that, bro? Oh. Мало, что из фольги получается гвозди. Ау!
Soda.
It's confetti.
Savvy.
No. Like, are you serious? That's so foul. Stop! Stop! What is your problem?
Out of my face, Karim. Get out of... Wallah! I swear to God, ha! I'm not in the mood. Get out of... I'm demon.
It's confetti.
You gotta clean this shit, yeah. Clean.
This is how we stay at work, homie. Open that shit. Oh, you fucking... Ой, друг, аккуратнее.
Поможете?
На, держи.
Спасибо большое. Спасибо. Подождите, еще деньги были, вы не брали?
Нету, друг, ничего нету.
Не было, да?
Все, пойдем.
Пойдем.
Нет, подожди, смотри, твоя девушка обманывает, я не слепая, снимаю на камеру, смотри, она деньги сделала, зачем ты так сделала?
Ой, да не нужны мне деньги, пошел ты.
Hey, make sure to take your diarrhea medicine if you're doing legs.
Stop. I don't even have diarrhea.
You good? What? What?
Who's that, bro? Who's that? Who's going?
Oh my god, wait, guys, hold up, whoa, there's like 3 of you guys. Did you guys know what Yahweh is?
What is Yahweh?
Yahweh.
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 Michael. Money.
No.
Moto.
Oh. Bunny. No.
Oh, Michael.
No. Oh my. Money. No, hello.
Michael.
Hello.
The budget.
No.
Oh, shit.
Who's that? What? Who do you see? Who do you see?
I need you to go in the store and get me glow-in-the-dark tampons.
What? They're here and they came 2 days early.
This is them?
They just got here.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited!
God damn, they packed it bulletproof.
Shut up. There's no way. What?
Come with me to the bathroom so we can try it out. Hey, how do you open it?
Push it.
Oh, hold that. I'm gonna turn off the light. Shut the fuck up!
Let me see, Kevin. Let me see your hands, fool. Speed bag. Let me see how fast your speed bag is, fool.
Damn.
Go. Go, Reese. Go. Let me see. Go. Speed bag. Damn. Feda. Oh, Donnie. Whoa. What the? Lawrence. Speed bag that bitch, bro. Oh, you sipping the drugs? Let me see. Speed bag that bitch, Ellen. Michael, speed bag that shit. Oh, fuck. Danda. Oh, with the...
Sam God! Oh no! Mom, my basketball is moving across the street. Can I get it?
Are you serious?
No cap.
Sure, I didn't just be safe.
Yes, ma'am, I will.
I know you didn't. D-Tay, I know you didn't just cross that street.
You just told me I could.
No, I didn't. Grounded. Come inside.
Bro! Oh my God.
I just switched from Android to Apple, but I don't know how to change the wallpaper. This is my wallpaper now. That's the lady I bought it from. But I wanted to change it to this photo here.
Okay, that's weird.
Yeah, that's just this guy I've been talking to on Tinder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You being funny, man?
What's that? I thought you guys were the tech department. You good, man? Forget it, man. I'm going to Best Buy, man.
Okay, go ahead.
Jeez.
Your forehead big as shit. Let me slap it.